Good morning, everyone. Let's clean up the toys before we start our day.
I'll do it later, Savannah. I'm still sleepy.
But John, we need to keep the house tidy. It's important for all of us.
I'll help, Mommy. Let's make it a game.
Now let's tackle the dishes in the sink. Who's ready to help?
I have some work to do, Savannah. Can it wait?
It won't take long if we all pitch in. Catherine, can you pass me the soap, please?
Sure, Mommy. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Lastly, let's tidy up our bedroom. We can't relax in a messy space.
You're right, Savannah. I should have listened to you earlier. I'll help clean up.
I'll fold the clothes, Mommy. We make a great team.
Great job, everyone. Our home looks beautiful when we work together.
I'm sorry for not listening, Savannah. I'll make sure to help out more next time.
I love cleaning up with you, Mommy and Daddy. Can we do it again tomorrow?
Of course, sweetie. Teamwork makes everything better. Thank you, my loves.